Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you the Nordic Sauna from Ilumhouse. There is a lot going on in the prefab home space all around the world, but something people have been asking about for a while now is homes that have been purchased. Renderings are one thing, show homes are another, and I guess the top of the food chain when it comes to prefab home videos is a real home that was purchased by real people. Who knew? It must be my lucky day because recently I was checking out a few homes in person and was able to see just that. To sweeten the pot even more, it was a home being used as an ADU, which is another topic that seems to get the people going. Could this be the perfect storm? Only way to know for sure is to measure activity on the like button. Time will tell. The company I'm talking about is Ilumhouse with their line of cottage-style prefab homes that have been very popular on the channel. What I'm going to do is tell you a bit about the company, check out the Nordic Sauna, and get into their pricing. Ilumhouse is a prefab builder with a line of cottage-style homes that seem to tickle the fancy of the good people of YouTube. I originally heard about them last summer, then decided to go see what they've got in person and was able to get up in most of their Nordic line. My big important tour started with the Nordic Plus, then I uploaded the Nordic Plus Sauna, and now I'm back with the Nordic Sauna, one of the more affordable options. This is the Nordic Sauna, but don't get it twisted. When I first heard the name, I assumed the entire structure was just a sauna, but that is not the case at all. What they've got in this unit is a kitchenette, a living room space that I'm in right now. There's a loft up above. They've got a full-on sauna back there and then a bathroom at the end. So yeah, it's far more than just a sauna. Tip of the cap to whoever did the decor in this specific unit because I like what they've got going on here. They've got a butcher block style counter in the kitchen with a black sink and black faucet. They've got green cabinets with black handles. And I really like the look of this wood interior on the ceiling and walls. Couple other things of note, they've got a little fireplace over there, and I can't forget about these lights. These lights come off one fixture but go off into 5 separate units. It's perfect for the space. I think what people like about the line from Ilumhouse is they're bringing a combination of affordability and style that's been hard to find lately. It has. This specific Nordic sauna is in use as an ADU. It's in the backyard of a home that's under construction and fits very well onto the lot. Just like everything from Ilumhouse, the Nordic sauna has a great exterior with a peak roof and windows galore off the living room. They've got some different roof lines in their collection, but I think this is their signature look and they do it well. The black metal roof with the vertical wood siding looks awesome. They've got the look figured out. Starting with the exterior of this home, you can see it's placed in the back corner of a lot in a residential neighborhood. Not entirely sure what the current use of this specific home is, but a few of the more popular choices for ADUs include a space for family, short or long-term rentals, or some kind of space like a gym or office. If I had to guess, I'd say it's probably one of the first two. Out of the 3 complete Nordics I saw from Ilumhouse, this is probably my second favorite exterior behind the Nordic Plus sauna. I like the look of the structure without the added bedroom, and I like the black trim. The main entrance is down the side beside the biggest window on the entire home. Probably worth noting that not one unit that I saw from Ilumhouse skimped on windows. It's part of their look, and the result is an abundance of natural light inside the home. The floor plan shows a door off the back of the home, but this owner opted for a solid wall in the back, and that's a good example of a customization that can be made. The side of the home closest to the property line is sans windows, which I am fully on board with, and then the home loops fully back around to the best part of the exterior by far, and that's the front end. Inside the home, there's a bit of a landing strip area to gather your thoughts and stack a bit of junk before entering into the main part of the home. Around the corner, it opens up into the living space, and one of the first things you'll see is the windows on the end wall responsible for the natural light that's filling the space. Notice the wood interior on this home, both walls and ceiling. Something I personally like in a cottage-style home like the Nordic sauna. If the home had an extremely modern exterior and a woody interior, it might be over the top, but for what we're looking at today, yeah, it's good. The main part of the home includes the living room, kitchenette, and dining room, so they've managed to pack a lot into the space. With the window locations, I think the furniture arrangement they've got here probably makes the most sense. Having a wall with no windows definitely simplifies the staging process. In a space this size, storage is going to be a concern for people. I know that from making a few hundred of these videos. The kitchenette has 3 upper cabinets, a bank of drawers, a door-matched fridge, and 3 open shelves. It'll be more than enough space for some people who watch this and not nearly enough for others. That's the way she goes. Notice the kitchenette doesn't have a cooktop or oven. I'm gonna have to show up with my air fryer if I'm gonna want to run any of my programs here, and I'm fine with that. Let's have a little bit of a closer look at this kitchenette. So you've got 2 drawers there. You got this pull out here. multiple levels of storage. This right here, that's the fridge. So not storage, but a little mini fridge there. You've got the sink with the butcher block countertop here. And then you've got 3 upper cabinets. And I'm guessing this was added on after the fact, but kind of fits with the space. I like it. At this point, I'm not sure what order these videos will be uploaded. I was in the Nordic Plus first, and now of course I'm in the Nordic Sauna. But my biggest takeaway from seeing both is that things can be changed in these homes. If you think about the other kitchen, we've got a different countertop, we've got a different sink. Pretty sure that's a different faucet, different cabinet styles, different lights, and a different wall color. And I've been told that you can add windows, you can change door placements, which is nice because people want to put their own spin on their home. Back towards the end of the home on the left side, a tinted glass door enters into a very popular feature in Europe, the sauna. The sauna looked to have space for 2 or 3 people, no problem, and could easily fit more depending on how comfortable you are with the other guests and whether or not Ginch is being worn. I think they go buck in saunas in Europe, but I can't confirm because I've never done it. I'm more likely to wear pants and go buck, but that's just me. There is a full-on sauna in this home. They've got it tricked out with this ambient lighting, and it looks really cool. I haven't been known to be a big sauna guy, but if I had this in my house, you know what, I probably would be. Beside the sauna, they've got the bathroom, which had a shower, toilet, and sink. I can't forget to mention the loft, which is located on the end above the sauna and bathroom. Not the biggest loft I saw from them, but a loft nonetheless. I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again. One of my favorite things about the homes from Ilumhouse is their exteriors. They've got the cottage vibe dialed to 10, and I really like the look of what they got going on. With that being said, we can't sleep on these interiors either. I think they packed an impressive amount into this space, and it didn't feel cramped at all. People are likely going to ask about TV placement, and this is one where I don't know what to tell you. Could possibly push the dining table closer to the counter and tuck something into the corner. Love it or hate it, this isn't going to be an ideal home for an 85-inch Toshiba flat screen, okay? It just isn't. If you're looking for somewhere to park a big flat screen, probably an idea to look at a different option. A home like this is designed for a minimalist, a second home on a property, or really any other use that doesn't include an 85-inch flat screen. Looking at the floor plan of the Nordic Sauna, you'll see it has dimensions of 24.5 by a little over 13, and in my opinion, it felt bigger than the floor plan looks. The floor area is listed at 305 square feet, and I think for those able and willing to get up in a loft, it's a pretty cool option. As someone who's lived and is currently living in a small space, what I like about having the sleeping in the loft is it's in a separate space. Even though I would still consider this a studio, it's a studio plus loft, and the lofted area is just another area of the home that is pretty much a bonus in the footprint. It's definitely best suited for 1 or 2 people, but if you've got the sleeper sofa, the option is there for visitors. It's nice to have options. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to check out their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. Ilumhouse is located in Latvia, so their prices are listed in euros, but I'll put the USD conversion somewhere on the screen. The Nordic Sauna currently has a base price of 35,500 euros in their comfort configuration. Each home is available in 3 different configurations, with standard being the most affordable, comfort in the middle, and premium the highest end. Changing the configuration changes what's included in the home, with premium being the most desirable. Worth having a look. Ilumhouse is a prefab builder with a line of cottage style homes that have the look figured out. It was great to be able to see their homes in person after following along for over a year from the other side of the world. Nothing beats seeing the homes in person. They've got a combo of look and affordability that people seem to be quite excited about, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufactured home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.